Okay, guys, we're in the dog days of summer, and as I told you yesterday, we need to make sure that we check for pet urine and make sure our clients know that we can get the odors out. So we're on a pet odor inspection right now. So let's take a look at this. This is a black light. Okay. And look at that. Look at that, man. Are you kidding me right now? So we see all the limey green areas like that. That's what we're looking for so we can make sure and we show our clients, which I just showed my client that these were the issues. Now they did call us. They did know that they had some odors in the air. Like I told you, we're in the dog days of summer. So selling carpet cleaning is not really a big deal right now. Selling odor removal is what you want to do. All right. So we see all these limey green spots in the carpet. That's where we know that the pet had their accident. But see, we're not going to stop there. Now that we see where the accidents are, like there, that's a juicy one right there, right? And then, now what we want to do is, we want to see if it's in the pad. Now we know that it's in the carpet, so now we need to know if we can just do a topical treatment or if we need to get out our water claw. So, this is a moisture meter, hydro sensor that I have here, probably from the old school. You guys probably have a more up-to-date one, but it works. And this is letting me know that they need a subsurface cleaning because this has prongs on the end of it that goes down to the pad. So it's a little bit past the carpet and it's in the pad. So I'm going to need to bring in my water claw if we want to make sure we get the most urine out as possible. And this is kind of throughout this room right here. Look at this. So you guys can grab one of these off of eBay for about $200, maybe a little bit less. But this is what you want. So once again, let's sit this here. You want to have your moisture meter, and you want to have a black light. So these are the tools you need. Oh, dropped it again. These are the tools you need so you can do a proper pet odor inspection, and you can let your client see that you really know what you're doing, and you're not a guy coming in that's $25 a room that's going to clean the carpets. So now that I showed you guys that, I just want you guys to know how I do this. So sir and ma'am, I'm sorry to bother you. I just I told you I belong to a carpet cleaning forum called the Carpet Cleaning World, and I was just sharing this with our clients. With the members, because this is the time of year a lot of people like you are calling because of the odors. We're in the dog days of summer. Yeah, the carpet might need to be cleaned, but you called because of the odor. That's what you said when I walked in. And now we already have you down for a carpet cleaning today, but after I just did this, I think you were Brenier in agreement that you need a pet odor treatment, at least for this room. You in agree? All right, so we're going to... I'm sorry, sir.
Yeah, I agree.
All right. Well, I thank you for helping me do this. This helps the guys out, and this improves the carpet cleaning industry as a whole. But anyway, I'm not going to hold you up. You hired me to come do some work today, and I'm getting ready to do that. But I just wanted to thank you. And guys, get you a hydro sensor and a black light so you can do the same thing, and you can show the clients that you really know where the pet stains are and the pet odors. This will help you in the long haul. You guys take care now.